Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to your maths online class. See students, in our previous lecture, I have taught you about the second fundamental operation, that is about subtraction, and then I have given you one assignment to be solved. So this is the answer key of that assignment. Okay, so first of all I am explaining you this answer key, like how you have to solve it. I hope you must have done it correctly, but then also I am explaining it. Just pay attention. The first part was that you have to subtract 19,536 from 33,645, and I told you that after doing subtraction you have to check your solution also, that it is correct or not. So you must have done it. Just see that your solution is correct or not. For subtracting, we will be writing this minuend firstly and then the subtrahend. So this minuend will come at the top. So firstly you have to place the place values like I have mentioned here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and then according to places you have to arrange these numbers. How you will arrange? You will arrange from back side 5, then 4, 6, 3 and 3. Okay, so this is according to ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Under this number, under this minuend, you will arrange your subtrahend, and that is 6, 3, 5, 9, 1, again from the back side. Then you have to subtract it. So how you will subtract? See, it is not possible to subtract 6 from 5. So we will take the borrow from this number. This is on tens place. So we will take borrow from this number. This number will cut and will become as 3. And this 5 will become 15. Then subtract it. So 15 minus 6 will give you 9. Then subtract. 3 minus 3 is possible. So 3 minus 3 will give you 0. Then 6 minus 5 is also possible. So subtract 6 minus 5. It will come as 1. Then 3 minus 9 is not possible. So we will take the help from 10,000 place. So this 3 will become 2 and this 3 after taking the borrow will become 13. Now 13 minus 9 will give you 4. And then finally 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So this is your answer, which I told you, this is your difference as a result. Now we have to check that our solution is correct or not. So what you will do, you will take this difference at the top like this, make an arrow like this. On this arrow you can write check, means you can show that you are doing your checking here. So this difference will come here at the top, 14109, and under this difference you have to repeat this subtrahend as it is. There will be no change in the position of subtrahend. It will come as it is, 19536. Only one change is there, that I told you. Here we have to do subtraction and while checking we have to do addition. So you have to put addition sign here and then add it. 9 plus 6 is equals to 15. So carry over 1 and 5 will come here in 1's place. 3 plus 1 will give you 4. 5 plus 1 will give you 6. 9 plus 4 will give you 13. So carry over 1 and 3 down. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So double 3, 6, 4, 5. You can see that you have got the same minuend here. That means our solution is absolutely correct. Okay. Similarly, I have given you one more part. In the second part, I have told you that you have to subtract 82,817 from 2 lakhs. So for that, what you have to do, you have to write firstly 2 lakh. Yes, from the back side only you people just write it 000,002. Under this you have to just arrange your subtrahend. So subtrahend is 82817. Okay, please don't disturb the sequence. The number should come one under the other. Then minus, we have to subtract it. Now 0 minus 7 is not possible. So we have to take the help from this number. But this is again 0, 0, 0, 0. So finally this 2 will give borrow to this number. So this 2 will become 1 and this 0 will become firstly 10, because when this 2 will give borrow to this 0 will become 10. Once it will become 10, it will give borrow to this number. Then this will become 9 because it is giving borrow to this number. Similarly, this 0 will also become firstly 10 and then 9. This also will become firstly 10 and then 9. This also will become firstly 10 and 9. And finally, this 0 will become 10. Okay, because this 0 is not have to give borrow to other number. So finally, this 0 will become 10. Now subtract. 10 minus 7 will give you 3. 9 minus 1 will give you 8. 9 minus 8 will give you 1. 9 minus 2 will give you 7. 9 minus 8 will give you 1. And this 1 will come as it is. So this is your difference. Now take this up in the front solution. Here 1, 1, 7, 1, 8, 3. Your difference will come at the top and on the arrow you will mention check. Then write this subtrahend same, okay, as it is. 8, 2, 8, 1, 7. And now here you have to add it, okay, for checking your solution. So 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry over. 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. Again 1 carry over. 0 will come at down. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry over. 0 down. And 1 plus 1, 2. See, 2 lakh. Again, we have got the same minuend. That means our solution is absolutely correct. So, I hope you also must have done it correctly. Then I have given you one word problem. In that word problem, I have told you that the number of registered applicants who have filled their form for giving a particular exams were 1,94,673. Then the number of candidates appear for the exam. The students who came for writing their exams were 1,39,807. Then it was asked in the question to find out how many candidates did not appear for the examination. Then to find out the number of candidates who were absent has to be calculated by subtracting these two numbers. So 1,94,673 minus 1,39,807. So here you have to do the subtraction of these two numbers. I am explaining you how you have to do. It will be 194,673. From this you have to subtract 139,807. Now how you will subtract it? 3 minus 7 is not possible. So take borrow from this tens place. It will become 6 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 7 will give you 6 and then 6 minus 0 will give you 6. Then 6 minus 8 is not possible. So take the borrow from this 4. This 4 will become 14 and 6 will become, this 4 will become 3 and this 6 will become 16. So 16 minus 8 will give you 8 and then 3 minus 9 is not possible. So this 9 will become 8 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 9 will give you 4 and 8 minus 3 will give you 5. 1 minus 1 is 0. So no need to mention here 0. So 54,866 is your answer. That means these many applicants did not appear for their exam. So this was all about your answer key of previous assignment. Now today I will teach you about multiplication, that how to multiply 4 and 5 digit number, and also I will tell you about properties of multiplication. So the first topic is multiplication of 4 and 5 digit number. See, we use multiplication to find the total number when a group is repeated a certain number of times. Okay, like to multiply large numbers, we follow these steps. If we have to multiply the large numbers, then what we have to do? Start multiplying from the ones column. We will always start whatever we are doing, whether it is addition, subtraction or multiplication. We will always start doing our solution from the ones place only. Keep this thing in your mind. Then move to the tens column, add the carried over number if any, and so on. This I am explaining you with an example. Now you will going to learn about multiplication, multiplying by a 1-digit multiplier, multiplying by a 2-digit multiplier, or multiplying by a 3-digit multiplier. Means how we can multiply any number with 1 digit, 2 digit, or 3 digit. So one by one I will explain you this. This you can get in your PDF. Here directly I am solving in front of you to explain you the topic well. See, first of all, if you have to multiply a number, any number, here I am taking example as 29683. So you can see that it is a 5-digit number and I am multiplying it by a 1-digit number. Then how to multiply this number? See, you should know the table. So firstly, student, you should know the tables at least till 20, okay, to get the multiplication. But for multiplying, if the tables till 9, you also know, no, then the multiplication is easy for you. See, here we should know the table of 8 to multiply these numbers. This is the ones place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Now start multiplying from ones place. 8 into 3. So 8 into 3 is equals to 24. So 2 will come here as carryover and 4 will come down. Now 8 into 8. So 8 8s are, it's 64. So 64 plus this 2. So 64 plus 2 will give you 65, 66. It will give you 66. So 6 will come here in hundreds place and 6 will come down in tens place. Now 8 into 6. So 8 6 are 48 and then 48 plus 6 will give you 54. So 5 will come here as carryover and 4 down. Then 8 into 9 is equals to 72 and 72 plus 5 will give you 77. So how you will write this 77? 7 will go here as carryover and this 7 will come down. Now 8 into 2, 16 and 16 plus 7 will give you 23. So your answer is 2,37,464. So this is how you can multiply any number with 1-digit number. Okay, start from the ones place, put the carryovers, add it, and then you can get your answer. Now I am telling you how to multiply a number which is having 2 digit. Second example, 3172. Here our number is of 4 digit. I am multiplying it by 2-digit number, that is I am multiplying it by 25. For this I should know the table of 5 and the table of 2 to get the result. First of all, I will start with this 5. So see student, 5 into 2. Firstly I will multiply with the ones place. So 5 2s are 10. Now 10, keep this 1 in your mind and 0 down. Okay, either keep 1 in your mind or you can put at side also. Now 5 7s are 35 plus this 1 is equals to 36. So 6 we have to put here and 3 you can keep aside. Okay, now multiply this 5 by 1. So 5 into 1 is equals to 5 plus this 3. Okay, so 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So here this 8 will come. And then no carryover in this step. Then 5 into 3 is equals to 15. Now we are not having any number here. So this complete 15 will come down like this. So 15860. Here we have done the multiplication by 5 only. Now we have to multiply it by 2 also. Then to multiply it by second number, first of all you have to put under this 0, under this ones place, one multiplication sign. Either multiplication sign or you can put 0 also. But I am putting here multiplication sign. Now we have to again multiply these 4 numbers by the second digit, that is 2. So start it from ones place only, 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. This 4 will come under 6 because already this multiplication sign has come under 0. So you will put 4 here. Then 2 into 7 is equals to 14. 14 means 1 carryover. So this is the carryover 1 and 4 will come here down. Now multiply 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 plus this 1. Okay. So it will be 3. Then 2 threes are 6. So write down 6 here. Now you have to put one plus sign and then you have to plus these two numbers. So 0 plus cross. Cross means 0 only. So here you will get 0. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. So 1 carry over here and 0 will come down. Now 8 plus 4 is equals to 12 plus 1 is equals to 13. So 1 carry over and 3 down. Then 5 plus 3 is equals to 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. So 9 will come here and 6 plus 1 is equals to 7. So this is how you can multiply a 4-digit or 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. Now finally I am giving you the third example. In this example I am telling you how to multiply a 5-digit number by a 3-digit number. So our example is 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. This we have to multiply by 1, 2, 5. 125. See how we will multiply it. First of all, we have to start with 5. Okay. You have to do multiplication with 5. Start from ones place only. So 5 zeros are 0. So write down 0 here. Now multiply this 5 with 5. So 5 5s are 25. Keep 2 here at a side and 5 here down in tens column. 5 5s are 25. 2 here, 5 here. Now 5 4s are 20. 20 plus this 2 carry over. So 20 plus 2 will give you 22. Again 2 aside and 2 here. Now we have to use this carry over in next. Then 5 into 3, 15 plus this 2. So 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. 17 means 1 carry over and 7 here. Now we have to use this 1 carry over. Now 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is equals to 11. So here it will come complete 11 because no number is here before 2. So complete 11 will come down. Now with 5 we have done the multiplication. Now we have to do multiplication with this 2. So before starting the multiplication by 2, we will put one multiplication sign here under 0. Okay. Now start multiplying by 2. So 2 into 0 is equals to 0. This will come under 5. 0. Then 2 into 5 is equals to 10. Okay. Now we have to put the carry over 10. We have used this carry over, so you can cancel this carry overs and 10 no. So 2 5s are 10. Put one new carry over here and 0 here. Now 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. So this complete 9 will come here. Then 2 3s are 6, 6 will come here and 2 2s are 4. So 4 will come here. This carry over also we have used, so you can cancel. Once you are using the carry over, you can cancel it. Now we have done the multiplication by 5, we have done the multiplication by 2. Now we have to do the multiplication by 1. So before starting the multiplication with this third digit, what you have to do, you have to come in third step. This is the first step with 5, second step with 2, third step will be with 1. But before starting it, we will put 2 multiplication sign here in ones column and tens column. Okay. When we are doing multiplication with 1 digit, then we are not supposed to put any multiplication sign in the solution. If you are multiplying it by 2 digit, then you have to put 1 multiplication sign in second step. And if you are multiplying it by 3 digit, then you have to put 1 multiplication sign in second step and 2 multiplication sign in third step. Now multiply by 1. So 1 start from ones place. 1 zeros are 0. It will come under this hundreds place. 1 5s are 5, because whenever we multiply any number with 1, we get the same number. So 0, 5, then 4 will come here, 1 3s are 3 and 1 2s are 2. So here we have got our third step also. Now what you have to do? You have to add these 3 numbers. So put plus sign here and start adding it. So 0 will come here, 5 will come here, 2 and 0 will come 2 here. Here 9 plus 7 will give you 16 and 16 plus 5 will give you 21. So you can put 2 carry over here and 1 here down. Then 6 plus 4 10 plus 1 11 plus 2 13. So 1 carry over and 3 down. 4 plus 3 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. And then this 2 will come as it is. So our answer is 2,93,000. Sorry, it's 2 crore. Sorry, it's 29,31,250. I've put the commas wrongly. So it's 29,31,250. Now, after this, I'm explaining you the next topic, that is properties of multiplication. So see, there are 4 properties of multiplication. The first one is order property. So while multiplying two numbers, any changes in the order of numbers does not change the product. See, if you are changing the order, then also the result will be same. How? When you are multiplying 5 into 7, you get the result as 35. And when you multiply, if you multiply 5 into 7, you get result as 35. And if you change the order, if you do 7 into 5, then also you get the result as 35. Okay, result remains same only. So, if the order is changed, the results remain same. If 654 into 70 gives you 45,780, then 70 into 654 will again give you 45,780. Then, second property is multiplicative property of 1. Like whenever we multiply any number with 1, we get the same number. If you are multiply 706 into 1, you will again get 706. If you are multiplying 1 into 2345, you will again get 2345. Then multiplicative property of 0. Whenever you will multiply any number with 0, you will going to get 0 again. So 786 into 0 is 0 and 0 into 3512 will give you 0 only. Then the fourth property is grouping property of multiplication. See, while multiplying more than two numbers, any change in the grouping of number does not change the product. If grouping is changed, then also the result will be same. Like 25 into 2 into 625. Here you can see that these two numbers are in bracket, means these two numbers are in group and this is separately given. So 25 into 2, 50, multiply by 625. So the answer will be 31,250. Then in the second step you can see 25 is outside the bracket and 2 and 625 are in group. These two numbers are in group. Then also our result will be same, 25 separately, and the multiplication of these two will give you 1250. So 31,250. Then here 25 and 625 are in group and 2 is separately given. Then also the result is same. So in whatever way you are multiplying, you will get the same answer. It doesn't depends on the group. Whatever is the group, your answer will come same only. Okay. So this I am explaining you with these fill in the blanks. Pay attention. See, in the first part you can see that 2457 into 429. Here equal to sign is there in between blank and 2457. So which number is missing? This 2457 is both the side. So which is missing? This 429. So 429 will come here in this blank. That means which property? This is the order property. Okay. Then second, when you will multiply 12,317 into 0, you will get 0 again. Okay. This is the multiplicative property of 0. With which number we should multiply this 43,970 to get the result as 0? So yes, we will multiply it by 0 only to get 0 again. So this is also the multiplicative property of 0. Here you can see three numbers. 2 are in the bracket, 1 outside the bracket. That means it is grouping property. So which number is a student, which number is missing here, student? Just see, 25,000 is both the side, 9 is both the side. So which number is missing? Yes, this 17 is missing. So 17 will come here. So which property is this? This is grouping property of multiplication. I hope this topic is clear to you all. Now after this, you have to solve this Day 8 assignment in your practice notebook. First question is multiply 8309 by 9. Second part is 35,047 multiplied by 36, and then 10,613 by 216. So A part you have to multiply by 1 digit, then 2 digit, and then 3 digit. Then in question number 2, there is one word problem. It is an electronic goods shop owner sold 150 laptops at the rate of rupee 34,560 each. How much money did the shop owner earn through the sale of the laptops? Okay, so the rate of one laptop is 34,506. This is the rate of one laptop. So you have to find out the rate of 150 laptop. So multiply these two numbers to get the final answer. Okay students, so that's all for today. The answer key of this assignment you will get in next online class. Okay, so solve this and go through the entire content again. Try to solve all your doubts by watching this video again and again. So that's all. I will meet you again in next class. Thank you students.